video. Basically, the video is all about product reviews. Again, 50 pounds per person. That joke or jingle is stuck, or the advertisement soundtrack is stuck in my head. But I guess my brother also knows that, and whenever we're together we just, you know, have a laugh and have fun. I mean, talk about the let you hold my hand. Yeah. I got blanked. I guess I did not prepare. This is very impromptu. So yeah, darling, hold my hand. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now you can save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds for a family of 4. Yeah. That was just a segue, don't mind me. And yeah, so this afternoon I'll tell you my whole day. So this morning we went to the gym. There were no classes. Fortunately, there are no classes. I don't want to join classes. Please, I just do my own workout. I prepare my dumbbells, my weights, my the other weights, and the kettlebells, the small kettlebells, the big kettlebells, Pilates, cardio, everything. That's what I do. A little bit of yoga, I guess, perhaps. And then after that we went to visit my psychiatrist. Yeah, that's right, psychiatrist. Her name is Miss Jovi, or Doctora Jovi, at Gray Matters, at La Freza, near, if you're from the opposite side of the road, yeah, near Walter Makati, La Freza, the one with the Uncle John's near the building. Miss Dr. Jovi is my favorite doctor. She is fun-loving too, and I guess it's my dream to be fun-loving too. We talked about a lot. I mean, my progress, how I'm improving. I don't go berserk anymore, and hopefully never go berserk. Whoa, what time is it? It's 11:22 on my iPad here. You wanna see? 11:22. Oh my god, that's the globe, that's the globe, that's the globe. And yeah, then in the afternoon around 4:00 p.m. I left mommy and daddy with Dr. Jovi at Gray Matters, and then I went to ride the jeepney to Mall of Asia, where I was invited by my brother to, you know, bond at least, and he bought me drawers, shoe shelves for for my other stuff, miscellaneous, abubot, you know, extra stickers, crayons, paint brushes, books, and yeah, but mostly the shoe shelves, because I need to place that's correction. I need a place where I could put my shoes where it won't get messy around my room and in my walk-in closet and my bathroom. And yeah, we're progressively and slowly moving out and moving in. And I'm pretty happy about that so far. Good results. We're eventually moving out. I'm preparing stuff to bring at the new home to live happily ever after. And my brother also got me, when we met at the Mall of Asia, before that I ate first, and then after eating shomai rice, I went to meet my brother at the 4th floor of IKEA, where the real entrance, or the going inside the IKEA begins. And yeah, I hope someday their eco bags will be free, because I mean, they're eco bags. They're eco bags for a reason. And yeah, I'll just take out the black basket. It's called Resatorp. It's very nice. Resatorp. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Oh my god. Resatorp. And yeah, the sign Wike Brask. It's very interesting. Sweden. Their language is interesting. Here I have a black container or basket where you could put cables, dirty laundry, bras, panties, and stuff. Anyhow, we're all very exhausted. I mean, the whole household are exhausted. We arrived home at 9:30 or later than that, but I left early from Grey Matters. I was in a hurry. I was like, gotta go, see you later. But at the end of the night, we ate at Bistro Ravioli. So delish. Their ravioli is the best pasta in the whole world. I love ravioli. They have fillings. That's your meat. and your rice is the pasta. Obviously, carbs. And yeah, I guess I have to go now. Good night. Mosquito, don't bite. Stop biting, mosquito. Mosquito, don't bite.